Marilyn. 1952. A car waits for Marilyn outside, and she's almost ready to leave. She picks up her Max Factor Coral Glow red lipstick, lines her lips the way she's done since she was 13, and then flashes mascara on her long lashes. It didn't take much to transform herself back then, just like now. There is something in the attitude of Norma Jean when she is Marilyn that drives grown men to pant like wolves and women to hiss like snakes. There's a smear of crimson on her brilliant white teeth. She blots the excess on a tissue, then makes a kissy face with a loud smack that always causes her to giggle. I am Marilyn Monroe. The name drips from her ruby-painted lips like sensual, melty chocolate or decadent champagne. A name that isn't easily forgotten, at least not now.